my commute, the snow is starting to come down pretty good. I've had to deal with this 2 days in a row now. See, the sign says slow down. That's because there's road construction coming up. There's a police officer right there. Probably not a good idea to be holding the camera right now. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit of my commute. I got the GPS going. I'll leave it on for a second for you. I don't want to make it too long. See the mountains over there? I like driving. I just wanted to show you the mountain with the ice on it. I can never stop taking pictures of it. Much better than driving over it.